Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are transforming normal photos using a viral glow effect. We will use the ChatGPT app and just one simple prompt to achieve this professional look. Make sure to watch the full video to see how it's done. First, open the ChatGPT app. Tap the plus button at the bottom and select Create Image. Then, tap the plus button again to open your gallery and upload your photo. Second, after your photo is uploaded, paste the specific prompt into the chat box. I will show you where to copy this prompt later in the video. After you paste the text, just press the arrow button and wait a few moments for the AI to generate your image. When the process is complete, you will see a high-quality photo with a beautiful glow effect. Simply tap on the image and save it to your device. You can copy the complete prompt from the video description below. Please leave your feedback or questions in the comments. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.